Hello guys, so in this video I'll be sharing with you 3 stocks that have given multi-year breakouts and they look really good for trading. जो stocks मैं आज share करने वाला हूँ वो आप 3 से 6 महीने तक रख सकते हैं for maximum gains. Now make sure you watch this video till the very end, and also I want to thank you guys for all the love and support. We have finally hit 1 lakh followers on Instagram and it would not be possible without the love and support of you guys, so thank you very much. So let's get started. Well, the first stock is none other than UPL. So let us understand what has happened with UPL. In the weekly time frame, we can see that UPL had made an all-time high of 690 rupees in 2019, and recently in 2021 it had given a breakout. Now after it gave a breakout, it did well, but it came back to the same price and has taken a good support. And if I just move on to daily time frame, we can see that this was the support it took, and recently it has given a breakout from a pattern like this. So this makes it very bullish. We can see that after it gave a very good breakout, it went up, now it gave a good correction, and now it's all ready to continue the trend. So this is one stock that has given a very good breakout and looks good for swing trading. Now moving on with the next stock. The next stock which looks good for swing trading is none other than Ambuja Cements. So let's understand what's happening here. So if I just open monthly time frame in Ambuja Cements, we can see that Ambuja Cements has recently given a breakout in the monthly time frame. Okay, notice that this is not weekly time frame, this is monthly time frame. So this means that this stock can perform really well in the coming months. Now if I just move on to daily time frame, what do I see? I see that exactly like how happened in UPL. We can see that Ambuja Cement went up and then came back to take a good support, and now it's all ready to move up in the coming months. So we can see that recently it has given a pattern breakout like this, and as of now this stock looks very bullish. So let's see how this stock performs. Now if you are considering entering here, your stop loss should be not at these levels but at least till here, because we can always expect a correction. The stock can always correct like this and then continue the trend. And also you should understand that you can make maximum gains only when you are holding for minimum of 3 to 6 months or more than that. Now the last stock that looks really good for holding for few months is none other than UBL. So if you just move on to monthly time frame, you can see that the setup is similar here. UBL had been inside this pattern for quite some time, and now recently it's giving a breakout structure. If we just move on to daily time frame, what do we see? We can see that as of now it's inside this pattern. It's stuck inside this pattern, and as of now it looks really good. So what can happen now? It can consolidate inside this pattern for some time, and once it gives a breakout, we can expect really good moves in the coming months. So in these type of trades where you are going to hold the stock for multiple months, instead of entering it all at one point, what you can do is you can consider entering at multiple points. Say that if you entered here, you can enter 25%, and if the stock falls down by 2-3%, you can enter another 25%, or if the stock continues going up, you can add multiple positions at multiple points. So that is how you can reduce your risk. Now if you are considering entering this stock, you have to make sure that your stop loss is at least below these levels, okay, because there can be a correction anytime and you have to be prepared for that. So that's it for this video. Now these are the 3 stocks that I am expecting to perform really good in the coming months. Again, this is not a financial advice. These stocks can perform well or not. Make sure you manage your risk in the right way. So thanks for watching this video till the very end, and I'll see you next time.